Hello viewers, we are live at Cedarwood Estate Phase 3, Orofun, in the Lekki Free Trade Zone, housing the multi-billion dollars Dangote Refinery, the deep sea port, Dangote Refinery, and a host of other huge investments. As you can see, the access road to the estate is ongoing. Right there at the foreground, you can see the gatehouse construction is coming up and is expected to be completed within the next 2 to 3 months. At Cedarwood Estate, we are committed to adding value and ensuring that our clients get the best deal on their investment.